Mananalo ka nga ba ng cruise for four?
Okay, nanalo ka nga ba na?
For four.
Cruise for four.
Dalawa yun ang hirap.
Kung nandito ka.
Hirap doon, tapos dito yung...
Kung nandito ka.
Nakausap niya ako, tapos dito sa...
Congratulations! Rise and fall!
Rise and fall!
Pag wala ka, magpunta ka sa iba. Okay! 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rise and fall! Rise and fall!
Bakit wala?
Oh my God!
Buti na lang.
Yes na? Yes!
Ito na yun?
Ito na. Oh, wow! Ito na! Congratulations!
Congratulations, Rise and Fall. Thank you very
Let's
much.
take a photo together.
Picture.
Grabe! Parang tumili lahat ng tao kasi nagpa-picture siya with Joshua. Alright! Congratulations to our winner!
Shower.
Baka nalito sa dagat.
Oo.
Baka nagpa-refresh.
Pero may backup tayo, no?
Yes, meron tayong backup. Okay. So,
Ay,
ito na.
paano ka mag-anak din ito?
Kamag-anak na ba? Oo nga, parang kamag-anak na.
Feeling ko nandito na to.
Talaga?
Oo.
You have a good feeling about this?
Ang coolest Mercado winner natin ay,
Here we go.
congratulations, Rose Elado!
Rose worth of Boodle Fight.
Wow.
10K pesos worth of Boodle Fight. So basically the biggest crowd. So we have a winner already, the biggest barkada. And once again, you have to be...
Mercado winner natin, tama ba?
Yes.
Hindi ko lang kung tama to. Judy Coaching.
Judy C.
Judy C. Coaching. Judy C. Coaching.
Judy C.
Judy C.